Okay, you can see now on our original spreadsheet I've made a few adjustments simply by highlighting sections and filling them using the fill tool here. You can fill and highlight different sections of the spreadsheet. I've also used bold to highlight totals or anything else that you need on your spreadsheet. It's about the visual aid, and you must remember that when you produce spreadsheets, it's about the visual aid. What we've done with the salespeople stuff is hide it in the background. In actual fact, a lot of the stuff we've got on the basic spreadsheet here could be hidden, depending on what information we want to relay to people. Okay, another great way of relaying information, allowing people to visualize what you're actually talking about, is a chart. If you highlight a section, you must highlight a section of what you want to make a chart out of. You can put that in there. You can insert, and you can insert a chart of your type. For this one, let's select a column chart, and if we have that type of column chart, because it's just easy to put in for the time being, we can see very quickly we've got January, February, March and April. We can see it's for routers, switches and Cat5, and we can see the sales values of them. It's very visual. It allows you to very quickly identify any issues you have. Like someone looking at this might think, why are we only selling that few amount of switches in March? Why aren't we selling much cable in April? What were the issues? What are the problems? You can instantly go for your business and identify what those issues and problems are. The other great thing about the chart here is if it needs to change, it will change dynamically. For instance, we sold very few switches in March. What's actually happened is there was a problem with the way the information was relayed, and Sahal sold £200 worth of switches. We've changed that, we've updated it, and now we can go to our spreadsheet, front sheet, we can look at our chart, and the chart does show now the new figure of switches being sold in that area. But you can make that business decision by being able to see that very quickly and easily, as opposed to looking at just endless amounts of numbers on a sheet. And I'm pretty sure most of you are aware, just looking at reams and reams of numbers sometimes doesn't tell you anything. A chart, much better. Always use charts. There is a great business need for them.